This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file an IRS extension online. Filing an extension gives you an additional 6 months to submit your federal tax return, which can be incredibly helpful if you need more time to gather your documents or finalize your financial records. However, it's crucial to remember that an extension to file is not an extension to pay. You still need to estimate and pay any taxes you owe by the original tax deadline, typically April 15th, to avoid penalties and interest. To file your extension electronically, you have a couple of straightforward options. You can use IRS Direct Pay, which is a free service, or utilize a trusted tax software provider. Both methods allow you to submit Form 4868, the application for automatic extension of time to file U.S. individual income tax return. You'll need to provide your basic personal information, including your name, address, and social security number, along with an estimate of your tax liability and any payments you've already made. When filing an extension, several key considerations will help you avoid issues. First, ensure you submit your extension request by the original tax deadline, which is typically April 15th. Missing this date could result in penalties. Second, always pay any estimated tax you owe by the deadline, even if you're filing an extension. This prevents late payment penalties and interest charges. Remember, once properly filed and any estimated payment is made, your 6-month extension is automatically granted. After successfully filing your extension, you will receive a confirmation, providing peace of mind that your request has been processed. This means you now have an additional 6 months to prepare and submit your complete federal tax return. Be sure to mark your calendar for the new extended deadline, which is typically October 15th. Use this extra time wisely to gather all necessary documents and ensure your return is accurate and complete before filing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.